Welcome to Lulu's Perch Pioneer Guild on Patreon. My name is Aaron. I'm a permaculture teacher and consultant, and you may have seen my comedy videos on YouTube.
Your wife, I mean, it's a pirate's life for me.
If you want to see more of these heroes in action,
Put these reins on.
What?
Chariot away!
After 10 years of mental health nursing and a teaching degree, I gave it all up to follow my true passion, teaching permaculture. Because sometimes gardening is the best healthcare and education.
it's true.
My aim is to teach people about permaculture gardening, how to grow your own food and live a more self-sustainable lifestyle, but with a twist. You see, I'm not embarking on this adventure alone. Oh no, I've got mates. I've got Chad the Chicken.
How you going?
I've got Sebastian Truart,
Enchanté.
Officer Kentucky, and that singing pirate that I haven't exactly made up a name for yet.
Arr, forget your bleeding names and just call me Seaman Stains.
Okay, so I'm gonna need a little help from you guys too on Patreon. But what is Patreon? Well, put it this way. If YouTube was a gardener and my channel was a houseplant, I'd be dry and dead by tomorrow.
Lousy houseplant! You son of a...
Patreon, on the other hand, allows you guys to help water my channel, fertilize it, and help it grow until we're up to our eyes in fruit. In other words, $1 equals one seed that I can plant into better episodes, better editing, more drone footage. I can take the episodes outside of Lulu's Perch and teach kids at schools. We're gonna grow our own vegetables! Watch out! And maybe even see a little bit more of Chad the Chicken.
That's right.
But more importantly, my content will always be free for you to watch. Patreon is just giving us the opportunity to create a companion plant relationship and help feed each other. So in return, I'll be able to provide you with rewards and goals, like early access to my videos, be able to vote on future content, have some Q&As, and in the future, maybe even a little visit to Lulu's Perch and a consultancy face-to-face or through Skype. Not only that, but as we hit goals, I'll be able to create bigger and better content, like a tour of Lulu's Perch with permaculturalist Jeff Lawton, or a series at Zaytuna Farm. The possibilities are endless.
Oh, we could buy more beer, better go-karts.
I'd rather paint self-portraits than beg for pennies like feudal peasants.
Bah!
How about you quit your jibber-jabbering and you hand over your loot?
I want some more steady rum. Another sharp fish.
Whoa. That is for the patrons to decide.
Oh, going home.
As you can see, we have a very interesting road ahead of us, and I'm incredibly excited to have you, our patrons, join us on this permaculture adventure. So, thank you very much for watching this video and considering supporting me, my team, and my permaculture mission. And as always, try get outside, join the Lulu's Perch Pioneer Guild today, and I'll see you in the next chapter. Catcha.